Do you want to increase your workflows, profit, overall efficiency in your kilns? Then Wagner Meters has the perfect solution for you. Introducing the new L5300 Industrial Handheld Moisture Meter. A smarter and modern redesign of the trusted L622, but for today's sawmills. With L722 Stack Probe compatibility to locate hidden moisture deep in stickered stacks, built-in histogram readings for instant in-field analysis, and seamless WoodStat Pro software integration to manage your data like never before, the L5300 is the future of sawmill moisture control. Take your moisture measurement to the next level with our limited time offer. Trade in your old L622 meter and get a $250 credit towards the new L5300. Visit wagnermeters.com to upgrade your old L622 to the new L5300 and claim your $250 credit today.